Hi, welcome to my palm. Last week, we just made a video on how you can create marketing AI workforce on my palm. Today, we are going to share with you another AI workflow that you can add to your AI marketing workforce, which is an AI workflow that can help you automate content creation across platform with just your input, a topic, and target audience. First, I'm going to show you how the workflow might work. Here I have the current workflow here, and I will input in the topics and ideas for the content that I want to create and the target audience as well. So I will start running the workflow. The workflow starts generating for me SEO blog post from just a single input of my ideas. So it generates for me a complete SEO blog post that I can get reference from. And it also suggests me a carousel design post that I could make. It's also craft for me LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter posts. At MyPalm, we are currently using this workflow to produce content on a daily basis. So I think this is a good reference if you want to get some reference on how you can put some more productivities in your content creation process. So now I want to show you how you could create this workflow. Like based on our previous guidance, you can click on our workflows page and click on generate a new workflow. The easiest part is that you can choose from our current template. Here we have some template that you can get reference from. For example, the template that we have here is content generation across platform that I just shown you. So you can just duplicate this template into your workspace. And you can start editing anything behind this workflow so that it can help you generate better results. Or in the same time, you can also create a new workflow based on your ideas. For example, generate content across platform. And you can decide which input you want and also step output you want. And it will start generate for you. Here is the example of the workflow that with a single input, and it can start generating with AI. So that is the example that I just showed you. I hope that you can create this workflow in your workspace. And now I will share you a little bit about how you can create the setup behind the workflow. Here is the workflow that we have. We can click on it, and here is the trigger input that you can set it up. For example, topics and idea and target audience. You can feel free to add any field that you want. For example, like you can add in product information, or how like your add in your product if you want to the workflow to have some kind of product information. And behind each step is the agent and also the requirement. Inside the agent, you can edit this agent so that it can generate better result for you. We have this enhance this background here, and you can click on this feature and the workflow, the background can be edited. And you can also specify your expectation for the formatted input, like you want the post to be catchy, you want the post to be formal, like that. And you can input any internal knowledge as well as set up other settings. For example, you can choose the model GPT 3.5 or GPT 4.0. Here I just input the GPT 4.0 here, and for the further you can also re-edit the temperature for the workflow to be more creative, for example. And you can also add in any example for the workflow to learn from. So everything you could do in this agent, this step, you can also do to other step as well. So this is the guidance for today. I hope you would enjoy building on MyPalm. If you want more reference, we have more template that you can easily duplicate from any industry here. And you can also get reference from other YouTube tutorials that we provide here. Do remember to subscribe and receive notification if we have any update on our tutorials. Furthermore, you can also join our Facebook communities where we will share more use case, tips, and insights, as well as you can get the chance to interact with our users. So that is for today. I hope to see you in the next videos.